Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Kids Mats is probably one of the most essential items for any parent looking to create a safe, comfortable, and stimulating environment for their little ones, offering a dedicated space for play, learning, and even napping, while also protecting them from hard floors and providing a hygienic surface for all their adventures, making it a truly versatile and invaluable addition to any home. Number 5. Butterfly Craze Floor Pillowcase, Queen, Cars Blue. Experience ultimate comfort and style with this versatile lounger. Simply fill it with your favorite pillows to create personalized support for sitting or lying down. It's perfect for sleepovers, movie nights, or just relaxing. Designed for everyone, this lounger is a fantastic addition to any home. Kids, teens, and adults alike will love its comfort and versatility. It makes an ideal spare bed for guests or a cozy spot for family gatherings. Crafted from plush, super soft premium fabric, this lounger is gentle on even the most sensitive skin. Its high-quality materials and sturdy zippers ensure it will provide comfort and style for years to come. This makes it a smart and lasting investment for your home. Keeping it fresh is incredibly easy. The cover is machine washable, just toss it in on a delicate cycle with cold water and hang to dry. No bleach is needed, making it a safe and convenient choice for busy families. Measuring 26 inches wide by 88 inches long, it offers ample space for lounging. With 5 zippers and pockets, it easily holds 5 standard pillows, providing excellent support. Remember, pillows are not included, allowing you to customize your comfort. What we like. This unique lounger cover allows you to customize its comfort by filling it with your own pillows, making it incredibly versatile for various uses. If you're looking for a flexible seating or sleeping solution that adapts to your comfort preferences and can be easily cleaned, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for creating a personalized cozy spot for kids, teens, or even adults during sleepovers, movie nights, or just relaxing. What people say. Source reviews were empty, cannot extract points. Source reviews were empty, cannot extract points. Number 4. ECR 4 Kids Everyday Folding Rest Time Mat. Transform any floor into a comfortable quiet space for little ones. Daily naps on it help children process new information and restore their energy levels. Its dual-colored design makes maintaining a clean sleeping environment simple. Caregivers can easily assign one side for the floor and the other for sleeping. The comfortable foam core is protected by tear-resistant, heat-sealed vinyl. This provides water-resistant protection from spills and makes it incredibly easy to wipe clean. It is GRNGUARD, Gold, certified for low VOCs and CPSIA compliant. Constructed with CertiPUR US certified foam, it adheres to strict safety requirements. Measuring 45L×19W×1H when flat, it folds compactly to 19L×11.25W×4H. This nap mat comes fully assembled, saving you time. What we like. This mat offers a practical and hygienic solution for rest time, featuring a two-tone design to easily distinguish between floor and sleeping sides. If you prioritize cleanliness and durability in a nap mat, its heat-sealed, water-resistant vinyl cover makes spills and cleaning a non-issue. It's an ideal choice for daycares, preschools, or grandparents' homes where maintaining a sanitary resting environment is key. What people say. Number 3. BEEWEED Toddler Nap Mat. Experience the ultimate in comfort with this nap mat. Crafted from soft fleece minky fabric and polyester, it provides a gentle, warm embrace. Its unique raised dots offer a soothing touch, making your child feel right at home. Designed with busy parents and active kids in mind, this mat features a smart hook and loop closure and convenient handles. Your child can easily roll it up themselves. Plus, a built-in name tag ensures it's always identifiable. This isn't just for naps. It's perfect for daycare and preschool, providing a familiar comfort zone. Beyond that, it's an excellent companion for camping trips, picnics, and all sorts of outdoor fun. Measuring 23 by 52 inches, including its cozy pillow, and featuring a generous 31 by 42-inch blanket, it's perfectly proportioned. This mat is ideally suited for children aged 3 to 6, ensuring a snug fit. Keeping it fresh is a breeze. Simply remove the attached pillow, then toss it into the washing machine with cold water. Tumble dry on low, and it's ready for the next adventure. Since it arrives vacuum packaged for freshness, we recommend allowing it a few days to fully expand. This simple step will return it to its wonderfully fluffy state, ready for cozy naps and play. What we like. This nap mat stands out with its incredibly soft minky fabric, designed to provide a soothing and comfortable sleep environment for little ones. If you are looking for a cozy, home-like feel for your child's nap time, its plush texture will make them feel secure and warm. It's perfectly suited for daycare, preschool, or travel, ensuring comfort wherever your child rests. What people say. Number 2. Delta Children Personalized Nap Mat. Introducing the Delta Children Personalized Nap Mat, designed for toddlers and kids. It includes a soft pillow and a cozy blanket, ensuring a comfortable rest wherever they are. This extra-long mat features a soft blend of cotton and polyester materials. The attached flannel blanket will keep your little one warm and snug, creating a perfect spot for sweet dreams. Its soft and velvety blanket helps reduce stress and anxiety, making it a great option for fussy sleepers. It's also beneficial for children with sensory processing disorders, providing a calming experience. With its convenient carry handle and strap closure, this roll-up design is ideal for preschool and daycare. It also includes a name tag, making it easy to identify. Naptime incidents are no match for this mat. It's machine washable on a gentle cycle and can be tumble-dried low. The pillow is also removable for easy washing. Make it extra special by personalizing it with your child's name. This unique touch adds a personal flair, making it truly theirs. What we like. This nap mat is designed to provide ultimate comfort with its attached soft flannel blanket, helping to reduce stress and anxiety for sensitive sleepers. If your child struggles with nap time or has sensory processing disorders, its cozy materials offer a calming embrace. It's a fantastic option for preschool or daycare, ensuring a peaceful rest away from home. What people say. No reviews available in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON. Number 1. PHF Soft Toddler Nap Mat, Space Design. This nap mat is crafted from soft, breathable microfiber polyester, ensuring a gentle touch on your child's skin. Its fluffy, skin-friendly fill provides a cozy comforter front, making them feel right at home. Featuring a removable pillow, it's easy to wash and carry. With convenient hook and loop closures and a carrying handle, it rolls up effortlessly for transport. Measuring 50 by 20 inches, including its removable pillow, this mat is perfectly sized for children aged 3 to 6. It's an ideal companion for preschool, daycare, or travel, ensuring quality sleep. Caring for it is simple, just remove the pillow and machine wash on low. This mat resists pilling and shrinking, becoming even softer with every wash. Adorned with vibrant planets and rockets, its space pattern is a hit with kids, creating a colorful world for their imagination. It also makes a practical and delightful gift that children will adore. What we like. This nap mat features a unique comforter front, providing extra warmth and a plush feel compared to a thin blanket. If you want a mat that offers superior coziness and a fun, engaging design, its vibrant space patterns are sure to delight any child. It's an excellent gift and a perfect companion for travel, daycare, or sleepovers, making nap time an exciting adventure. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.